how's it going? So I just wanted to do a quick review on an online sports betting software called Zcode system. See, I got my hands on this software maybe like 3 weeks ago, and just wanted to do a quick video on what I like, dislike. You know, I'm assuming if you're watching this video, then you're into online betting as well. So, you know, let's dive in. So dislikes, really the only thing I didn't like was that, it had a limited amount of slots that you can pick. But I mean, on the upside, I loved how, it was fully automated. So, the pick selection was very easy. It was very seamless. And also too, like they had 80 different parameters, so you can really make sure that you're actually doing like a calculated precision when it comes to picks. So I've been able to gain so much just from that one feature alone. And then the other thing that I like about it is that it actually has a hot trends tab, and with that it really makes letting like putting you on game in terms of which direction that you should go towards, which sports is buzzing, which player is buzzing, things of that nature. So that was definitely something that I use that helped make me a lot of money, and I'm sure it can make you a lot of money too. So overall, I think it's a great product. Again, anybody that's looking to get into like online sports betting, I highly recommend this system. It works. It made me a ton of money, and it can make you money too. Good luck.